In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chat room to Google Sites. If you want to make your Google site more interactive, embedding a chat room is a simple way to let visitors communicate directly on the page. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to place a chat room into your site using the built-in embed feature in Google Sites. This method works when you already have the HTML embed code from the chat service you want to use. To get started, open your Google site and go to the page where you want the chat room to appear. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can add new content. It's a good idea to think about placement before you insert anything. For example, a chat room usually works best near the bottom of a page or in a dedicated section so it doesn't distract from the main content. Once you're on your site, look over to the panel on the right side of the screen and click Embed. This is the option that allows you to place outside content directly into your page. Google Sites gives you a couple of ways to do this, and for a chat room, you'll want to use the option that supports custom code. After clicking Embed, select Embed Code. This tells Google Sites that you're going to paste in HTML from another platform rather than linking to a regular web address. If the chat provider gave you a code snippet, this is exactly where it needs to go. Now paste the HTML code from the site you want to embed. Be careful to copy the full code exactly as provided, because even a small missing character can prevent the chat room from displaying properly. If you copied the code earlier, simply paste it into the box. This is the part that connects your Google site to the external chat feature. Next, click Next. Google Sites will then prepare a preview of the embedded content. This is helpful because it gives you a chance to confirm that the chat room is being recognized correctly before placing it on the page. If everything looks good, click Insert. The chat room will now be added to your Google site. Once it appears on the page, you can usually reposition it or resize the embedded box so it fits better with your layout. Take a moment to make sure it looks clean and doesn't crowd other elements on the page. And that's it. You've successfully added a chat room to Google Sites by embedding HTML code. After that, you can continue editing your page as needed and make sure the chat room is displayed where your visitors can easily use it.